Yeah, good evening. Good evening to all. महागणाधिपतये वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यावन्तं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे महागणाधिपतये. Good evening to all. Good evening, good evening. Hello, Nay. How you feel about holidays, children? Very nice, huh? How you feel about holidays? Is it nice? At what time you are getting up? Am I audible, children? Am I audible or not? Then why you are not giving answers? How are holidays? Are you enjoying? At what time you are getting up? Ten o'clock or 11 o'clock? Nor good nor bad, average, okay? Good. 4:30, Nikhil. Oh, 9 o'clock, Lilita Ditya. Indrani 7:30. Amulya 7 a.m. 7, 8:30, 6, Gandha 7. Good. Tejal 9, very good. Ashish Babu 12. अरे पंजर आशीष 12 की लेची मोहन गडकरी मल्ली ब्रेकफास्ट చేసి మళ్ళీ నిద్రపో ఏసీ నుంచి బయటికి రా మగ కందిపోతావు రే ఆశీష్. Don't come outside. Outside it is not good. Okay, Arya, tell me. Yeah. There is a question like this.
Okay, sir.
Ashish, very good, Ra. -2 is a 0 of 3x square plus 4x plus 2k. -2 is a 0 of 3x square plus 4x plus 2k. Then find the value of k. Then find k. Find k. Now how to do it? -2 is a 0 of 3x square plus 4x plus 2k. Find the value of k. This is the question. How to do it? Any idea from your side? Insert -2 in x. After that, after inserting, okay, I'll do that. 3 into -2 square, 4 into -2 plus 2k. Inserted. Inserted. What to do next? Inserted. Tejal and Nikhil told to me that insert -2 in the place of x. I did it. Amulya says the value was 0. Make equation is equal to 0. Why? Why I have to put is equal to 0? Why to put is equal to 0? I am not asking answers, Ashish Babu. I am asking procedure. Some of your friends are saying that make the equation is equal to 0. Why? I put a question. Yes. Tulasi gave the answer. Equal the equation to 0 since negative 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. That is what you have to give the answer. I am not asking answers. Is equal to 0. Okay. Why we have to put is equal to 0? Children, you should understand this. Why I am putting 0 over here? Because negative 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. That means negative 2 must satisfy the given polynomial. Satisfying means we will get remainder 0. We will get remainder 0. 9th standard గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి polynomials topic. Now simplify this. 12 minus 8 plus 2k is equal to 0. 4 plus 2k 0. 2k negative 4. K negative 2. K value negative 2. Okay na? Next question. Yeah. Alpha, beta are the zeros of 2x square plus 7x if alpha comma beta are zeros of 2x square plus 7x plus 5. Find the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is the question. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of 2x square plus 7x plus 5, find the value of alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. How to do it? How to do it, children? Hamza, the problem long before done. Now you are giving answers. Now there is another question on the board. Split the middle term. Dash. Dash nu update avali. Inga akkade unnavu. You have a relation between zeros and coefficients, Dash. Darsh, vinnava? You have a relation between zeros and coefficients. Update yourself. Splitting the middle term kaadu. Observe this and this one. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a plus alpha beta c by a. Now take LCM. Minus b plus c. Now what is minus b? Here we can write a2 b7 c5. a2 b7 c5. Now substitute the values. Minus 7 plus 5 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. Negative 1. Negative 1. That's all. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, children. Now, same question. Find alpha cube plus beta cube. If this is the question, for the same question, if alpha beta are zeros of 2x square plus 7x plus 5, find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Any idea? Children, 9th standard లో మనకు ఒక ఐడెంటిటీ ఉండేది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 9th standard లో we have an identity, a cube plus b cube. How to write it? I told you in the class. Even there is a video in my channel on identities. Nikhil, very good. A plus b whole cube. Very good. What is a plus b whole cube? Can anyone say? What is a plus b whole cube? What is a plus b whole cube? Sham, whatever you are saying is right, but that will not be applicable over here in this problem. Right. A cube plus b cube very good, Tulsi. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now, from this, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. From that, from this equation, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Now replace alpha beta in the place of a and b. Then what it becomes? Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. That's all. Replace alpha and beta in the place of a and b. Now it becomes alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now, can anyone say what is alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value? What is Amulya? You are not answering. No answers from Amulya. Why? How many are there in the class today? 20 only. You are not answering. I think you are sleeping, Amulya. What is alpha plus beta? Negative 7 by 2. Alpha beta 5 by 2. Minus b by a, c by a. Now, just insert the values, children. Insert the values. whole cube 5 by 2 into negative 7 by 2. And simplify and say me the answer. Simplify and say the answer. Seven by 2 whole cube is 343 by 8. Minus into minus plus. 3 5s are 15, 7s are 105 by 4. 5 by 2. I think Darsh, your answer is wrong. Okay, right over here. Yeah. This is negative. Negative 343. Even then, your answer right, wrong, Darsh. No, not wrong. Right only. Darsh. Before you are in confusion, now I am in confusion. Darsh. Take LCM. Negative 343 by 8 plus 210 by 8. Negative 343 by 8 plus 210 by 8. Total negative 133 by 8. Negative 133 by 8. Okay, na? Good. Okay, next. Same question. Find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. How to find this? Find the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. How to do this? LCM. Nikhil says LCM. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Amulya. One by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Take LCM. Alpha square, beta square, LCM. So what you will get on the top? Beta square plus alpha square. On the top, beta square plus alpha square by alpha beta. Alpha square, beta square. Now children, we have an identity that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Is that right? We have an identity, first identity in algebra that we have learnt it. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. See, whatever the problems that you are learning, they are problems basing on zeros of a polynomial, children. Very, very important. Problems basing on zeros of a polynomial. Very, very important problems. చూడండి, ఒక్క ప్రాబ్లం మీద ఎన్ని మోడల్స్ చేయిస్తున్నానో చూడండి. Just I took only one problem and I'm asking you to do different models. Whoever missed this class, that means they are losing much. This is an identity. From this I can write from this identity, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Understood? Now insert alpha and beta in the place of a and b. So what it happens? Beta square plus alpha square. Beta plus alpha whole square minus 2 beta alpha by alpha square beta square, we can write it as alpha beta whole square. చూడండి ఇక్కడ బ్యూటీ ఏమిటంటే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లం ఈజ్ రెడ్యూసింగ్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ అండ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్. అది బ్యూటీ. దీన్ని మీరు క్యాచ్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ యు హావ్ టు క్యాచ్. అండర్స్టూడ్ చిల్డ్రన్? No, Shyam, you cannot do like that. If you do that, you will get much confusion. See this identity, Shyam? See this identity? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then what is a square plus b square? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So, I am replacing ab with alpha and beta. Beta square plus alpha square. Beta plus alpha whole square minus 2 beta alpha. 2 beta alpha, sorry. And alpha square beta square I can write as alpha beta whole square. So this is sum of zeros. This is product of zeros. Again this is product of zeros. Insert the values now. Beta plus alpha is nothing but alpha plus beta. Beta plus alpha is nothing but alpha plus beta. So negative 7 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 whole square. Children, simplify and tell me the answer. Thus 29 by 25. Past. Is that right, children? 29 by 25? Tanmay Hirawat. Ashish Babu వెళ్ళిపోయాడా? మళ్ళీ నిద్రపోవడానికి వెళ్ళి ఉంటాడు. 18 are there. ఆడికి ఎందుకు చదువు? ఇతిశ్రీ దేవు 29 by 25. Everyone 29 by 25. Very good. 2 get cancelled. 49 by 4 minus 5 by 25 by 4. 49 minus 20 by 4. 25 by 4. 4 get cancelled. 29 by 25. Very good. 29 by 25 is damn good. Okay. Again, same question. Find the value of alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. Find the value of alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. How to do it? Past need ideas. Sorry, Amulya, sorry. Ideas evandra. Ask, think about it. Tanmay Hirawat. Take common alpha beta. Abba. వాడికి ఒక అందరూ చప్పట్లు కొట్టుకోండి వాడికి. Claps to Tanmay Hirawat. What I want to find? Alpha square beta plus beta square alpha. Take alpha beta common. Remaining is alpha plus beta. Take alpha plus beta, alpha beta common. Now again see, observe children. Product of zeros, sum of zeros. Tulasi, very good. That is what we call team spirit. Our appreciation should be needed. Alpha beta, product of zeros, alpha plus beta, sum of zeros. So 5/2 into negative 7/2, which is negative 35/4. Negative 35/4. Simple. Very good. Reaction in the slow ga undakudura. When whoever gives the answer, immediately you have to clap. చేయాలి కదా, మనకు రాని ఆలోచన ఎవరికో వచ్చింది కదా. We didn't get that idea, but somebody gets. We need to appreciate it. Good. One more question. One by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. Find the value of 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. How to do this? One by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. Find the value. Darsh, splitting the middle term kuda cheyochu ikkada, endukante ikkada avutundi. It is possible in this problem. Darsh, are you there in the class? Two x square plus 7x plus 5. Okay. You can do the splitting the middle term in this problem, but there are some problems where you cannot split the middle term. So there you need to solve the problems like this. Okay, now take LCM. Alpha cube, beta cube. Here you will get beta cube plus alpha cube. Beta cube plus alpha cube. ఇలాంటిది మనం ఆల్రెడీ చేసాం ఇందాక. We did it already. What is that? Beta plus alpha whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta by alpha beta whole cube. Alpha beta whole cube. Now see the problem. Sum of zeros, product of zeros, sum of zeros, product of zeros. అంటే ఈ సమ్ అండ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ అనేది, అంటే రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ జీరోస్ అండ్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంటో చూడండి మీరు. How much it is important that you have to understand here. See, whatever the problem we are solving here, in each and every problem we are applying the concept of sum of zeros and product of zeros. Is that right, children? Now substitute the values. Negative 7 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into 5 by 2 into negative 7 by 2 by 5 by 2 whole cube. Now simplify. Negative 343 by 8 plus 105 by 4 by 125 by 8. 125 by 8. So here LCM into 2 by 2. So in total what you will get? Negative 343 by 8 plus 210 by 8 by 125 by 8. 5 cube is 125, 2 cube is 8. So here what you will get? Negative 133 by 8 by 125 by 8. 8 get cancelled. Negative 133 by 125. 133 ना? 33 వేసారు ఏంటి అందరూ? నే తప్ప మీ తప్ప? Who is wrong? Am I wrong, children? तुलसी ना तप्प नी तप्प? Who is wrong here? Thank you, Dash. Thank you very much. Okay, no problem. Commit the mistakes. Learn. Then don't commit the mistakes. Don't repeat the mistakes. Commit new mistakes. Commit the mistakes. Learn them. Learn what is right. And don't try to commit the same mistakes or don't try to repeat the same mistakes. Try to do new mistakes. కొత్త కొత్త మిస్టేక్స్ చేయాలి, పాతవి రిపీట్ చేయాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ఓకే, దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ టుడే. విల్ మీట్ అగైన్ టుమారో. ధన్యవాద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. మహాగణాధిపతయే నమః. బాయ్.